Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to dive into 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are low competition, they're high demand, they're amazing keywords with great analytics also, and they are all linked to one specific niche. Now, just before we get started, if you are interested in videos such as these where we reveal Amazon KDP keywords, then go ahead and click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new videos. Also, we have a 30-day free trial for Creative Fabrica, which is my go-to when it comes to ready-made KDP interiors, commercial license fonts, graphics, as well some tools right over here you'll be able to access for free for the full 30 days, and you can cancel before the 30 days is up and you will not be charged a cent if it's not for you. So take advantage of the 30-day free trial linked in the description box below. Now let's get started with our first keyword out of the 3 for today, and the first one is Preschool Math Workbook for Toddlers ages 2 to 4, and you guessed it, we're talking about the maths niche, and this is part 2. You can check out the part 1 linked in the description box below as well. Now, this is a great keyword because it has a keyword niche score of 53, and this is a keyword that is ideal to be used for the 7 keyword slots for any math workbook that you currently have in your portfolio published or that you're willing to publish, because we also shared some really profitable keywords in part 1 video that you can use for your title or your subtitle. So this is perfect for the 7 keyword slots to allow you to rank your book for this wonderful profitable keyword. Because of the slightly higher bestseller rank, that is why it's best suited for the 7 slots. The total results are under 5,000, sitting at 3,661. We have, as I said, the BSR, which is more suitable for the 7 slots. It's 751,229. Average reviews are a massive 5,849, and average price is $7.90. So scrolling down, we want to aim for to get books that are not sponsored that have a BSR of under 100,000. And this one's not sponsored and it has a BSR of 4,000. It is also ranked in 3 categories, and it has been published in 2019, starting with counting and numeration, children's handwriting books, and early childhood education. Now, coming to the results right here with a BSR of 4,050, it's selling approximately 780 copies per month, generating around 1,594. Scrolling down, we have other books as well with a really good BSR. This one comes second with a BSR of 2,220, selling approximately 1,710 pieces per month, generating around 3,000, my apologies, and 259 on a monthly basis. We have another great book as well with a really good BSR of 38,000, which is under 100,000. We have other books that are selling really well with higher BSRs that are giving us consistent sales as well. So this one, for example, 7,056. So this is the 3rd book that has a BSR of under 100,000, and that is exactly what we need in order to determine the profitability of this wonderful keyword best suited for the 7 slots. Now let's go directly to the second keyword for the day, which is best to be used for either the subtitle or the title for our book. Just make sure that you fulfill the promise by making it suitable for children in the grades between 6th to 8th grade. Also, it has a strong and solid keyword niche score by self-publishing titles, Chrome extension of 68. Green light, ready to go. Total results are sitting at 1,059. Bestseller rank is also within the acceptable range. It's a little bit higher, but nothing to worry about because it is still within the 400,000 and sitting at 492,133. Average reviews are 2,042 and average price is $12.75. We also have a clarification by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension that has given us a number 7 for the keyword niche score. Now, scrolling down, we want to avoid the top 2, which are sponsored, so we don't want to look at them. We have the first book that has a BSR under 100k, and it is 12,289 as the bestseller rank, generating around 330 copies or selling around 330 copies on a monthly basis, generating 3,024. Absolutely fabulous. Our second book with a BSR of 4,000, approximately 4,000, and it is selling around 720 copies, generating $187 as well. Scrolling down, we just need one more book that is under a BSR of 100,000. There it is, 8,320. So it is selling around 450 copies per month, generating 1,386. And we are also scrolling down. We have another one, 7,000. It's really good. 12,000, absolutely fabulous. 72,000. All of these are under 100,000. 1,800, which is amazing. 2,400, 2,300, 2,200. So there you go. We have found more than 3 books under this keyword on the first page, not sponsored, with a BSR of less than 100,000. So that was the second keyword for the day. Let's dive into the third and final one, which is absolutely fabulous, perfect for the title, amazing, fits all the profitability metrics, starting with our keyword, final keyword with it, which is Maths Workbook Grade 8. And it has a strong and solid keyword niche score of 68. It also has a total results of 4,037, and yes, it is slightly on the higher side, but it is within the acceptable range of a maximum of 5,000. Of course, when it comes to the total results, the lower the better. And one thing to do, if you are concerned at the total results being slightly on the higher side, then you could niche down. So the keyword here is Maths Workbook Grade 8. You can niche down further by assessing the level of difficulty and targeting that. So maybe create a Maths Workbook Grade 8 for beginners, or intermediate or advanced. Maybe create one that is specifically on algebra or any other maths field as well, to focus purely on that and to really create that really sub-niched targeted workbook for grade 8 for maths. The bestseller rank is within the acceptable range of under 400,000, and it is sitting at 104,457. Looking at the total reviews, the average, we have 1,083. We have the average $11.86, and also Amazon's Cow Pro seems to be agreeing beautifully with self-publishing titans in terms of the keyword niche score, and they've managed to give us a number 8, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a nice niche. Number 9 is the highest, so we're all pretty happy with number 8 here. Now scrolling down, avoiding the sponsored posts, which are usually the top 2. Scrolling down further, because this is not an independently published book, so we don't want to have a look at this and we don't want to take it into account. This one is has a bestseller rank of 25,000, which fulfills the requirements of under 100k. This one's sitting at 31,000. Scrolling down further, we have also a couple of other books that are selling really well, starting with this one this was the same book, I just came across it, which is this one, 12,018, selling approximately 360 copies. Also, we've got 5,000. We have more books as well, which I just came through. This one's 8,000, and this one's specifically about algebra. So it's Cumin Pre-Algebra grade 6 to 8. So it still fulfills the promise, because the maximum here is grade 8, or we are targeting a grade 8, which is absolutely fabulous. This is 100,000. So as you can see here, really good books that are selling quite well. I wish that you have enjoyed today's video, and if you did, let me know what kind of videos you're interested in. Let me know if there's any improvements that I can do on these videos to make them more helpful and instructional. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.